There's no MK that is going to reduce us. No. It will reduce us amongst tribalists, not amongst the progressive South Africans. There's no MK that can reduce us. There's no MK that can replace us ideologically, politically, and otherwise. You saw yesterday in Parliament a mess in action. That's what you elected, South Africa. A mess. You are asked twice, I'm voting in support. I'm not sure if that chairperson is not MK inside or something. The NC must investigate that guy. Because he says, then they say we're in support. Then we pass. He goes back and says, hey, he thinks we're fools. He's playing a trick. He says, you said, how many are you? They say, no, 51. He said, okay, just start it afresh so that we can hear you. He's giving a chance again to correct herself. She says, we vote in support. Then we pass. We go. He closes the voting. That caucus almost collapsed yesterday of MK. Almost. Then they raised their hands. He says, what are you saying? No, we didn't understand. We didn't understand. You elect people who don't understand. We didn't understand. We're actually voting against. Hey? And the guy, Frolic, allows that. It's not principled. Once the voting is closed, it's done. It's done. He says, those who want to vote against their party line, raise your hands. Those who want to vote for the party line, raise your hand. Against the party line, vote, raise your hand twice. Then the third time he says, voting is closed. Look at that. They still don't correct themselves around that time. And then he gives them a special dispensation to correct. That's unprincipled. He's undermining the decorum and the integrity of that process. So I'm just saying to you, MK will never reduce us in numbers anywhere else, including in thinking. We're very effective opposition here in Parliament.